Welcome to week 3. This week in module 2, we are continuing to focus on vulnerable populations. What is the definition of a vulnerable population? Well, in chapter 18 of Anderson and McFarlane, we learned that the word vulnerable is derived from the Latin word vulnere, which means to wound. In this chapter, vulnerable populations are defined as social groups or populations who have limited resources and are at high risk for morbidity, which is disease or illness, and mortality, which is death. Examples of a vulnerable population could be your senior older adult population, the HIV population, your homeless. It could be based on age, gender, or socioeconomic status. Your homeless and disabled are also vulnerable populations. Also in our course outcomes this week, we look at disparity and vulnerability. Disparity are factors, and your vulnerability are the factors that make one susceptible to unfair or unjust treatment or harm. In chapter 6 of your assigned reading, the term vulnerability is related to individuals or communities living in our society, such as the homeless, your immigrants, your indigent populations, or those who are disabled, and who are at great risk for harm in society or in their community that is generally beyond their control. The more risk they experience, the more vulnerable they become. We're also going to be reading and learning about identifying models of vulnerability. We're going to learn about performing community assessments and evaluations of vulnerable populations. We're also going to learn about case management. Case management is a collaborative process that includes assessing, developing, and implementing a plan. And this plan includes coordination of resources, it includes continuous outreach, and also monitoring, evaluation, and reassessment to meet the needs of an individual or human service need. We're also going to look at risk factors. As a reminder, please review your syllabus for all course outcomes for the week, your assigned readings, and links to other resources available to you to help with your assignments. Also, as a reminder, please review your course calendar for assignment due dates. This week, we're going to focus on your service learning experience project. You will be submitting your service learning pre-activity assessment, which is due by Sunday, January 31st to me. The service learning experience is a one-day learning experience in your community. It should not be related or connected to your current employment or job. And some examples may be food pantries or shelters or Meals on Wheels, Feed More. There are other examples located under Module 2 under Service Learning Experience. Please take the time to review the article on servant leadership enhancing quality of care and staff satisfaction, which is located also in Module 2. And also, our discussion board this week and post will be a reflection of your service learning experience, the community or institution that you chose, and different factors that apply to that. As always, please contact me with any questions or concerns, or you may email me. Thank you.